Hello, fellow traders. Hope you're well. Today is Thursday, the 30th of November, and we're going to look back at yesterday's trades. We're going to look at today's potential trades, and we're going to look at the important news for today as well. Let's get started. So, yesterday's trades, the one I took was this. It was US dollar, Canadian dollar, and we were looking to sell this pair. Why? Well, we are in a downtrend, first of all. So you can see we're getting lower highs, lower lows. Okay, so we're in a downtrend structurally. We also had bearish candles forming as well. Okay, you know, and it had broken out of this support. It had broken these levels and even this level. Okay, so the idea was just to come a little bit further down to this 3, 5, 10 level. So that was the trade idea, to sell it. If we drop down to the H1 now, because this was a H1 entry, as you can see, we got this candle. Yeah, so this red candle here, guys, when it formed, yeah, this candle here, when it formed, we had a bearish H1 candle that formed in our grey zone. Okay, and that's what we're looking for, guys. All right, so I entered here, yeah, and I put my stop at 3606. I'm going to say that the stop loss position was incorrect, not because of, you know, hindsight's a beautiful thing, but realistically, guys, it needs to go above here and also this grey zone. Yeah, so that is a mistake on my behalf. Okay, and I'm going to do a video on this in the VIP Discord. So as you can see, guys, I got taken out. I actually was in a hedge, and then when these candles closed back inside, I got out of the hedge. So I'm actually still in this trade. But, you know, if you had a normal stop loss, entered here, stop loss here, you would have got taken out, guys. Your stop loss needed to be up here. But yeah, like I say, still in this trade. We'll see what happens, guys. The idea will probably just to be to take it back down to these lows now and get out of the trade. So yeah, maybe you guys took the H4 candle. Yeah, maybe you guys took this candle. This is also, you know, a bearish reaction in our grey zone. Entered here, put your stop above here. You will still be nicely in this trade. Okay, so yeah, that was US dollar, Canadian dollar from yesterday. Also from yesterday was this pound Swiss franc. But the Swiss franc yesterday was like Arnold Schwarzenegger, Sly Stallone, Jason Statham strong. Yeah, the Swiss franc really got some strength yesterday. But let's explain the trade, guys. So this was the day chart. And we were starting to sort of see an uptrend stroke range form. But then when we broke these highs here with this candle here, I was thinking potentially it has, you know, we can take price back up to here. All right, we was above the moving average 20 nicely. We had nothing but, you know, bullish candles as well. We'd broken this last high in here. You know, we was expecting to buy this. But guys, it's very important that you follow your setups and read the chart. All right, because on the H4, guys, as you can see, price was coming down into this grey zone. All right, and I was interested. Yeah, one of my alarms went off, and I'm interested in this trade. But when I see a candle like this, yeah, look at the bearishness of that candle. Yeah, when I see a H4 candle like this, no matter how much I like the level, yeah, because I really do like this level. It's at the moving average 20. We were still in a H4 uptrend. You know, I really like the level, but I cannot buy that candle. Yeah, it doesn't compute in my brain. And thank God we didn't, guys. And that just goes to show, read the candles. If the candles are telling you to stay out, stay out. And this candle told me to stay out. Thank God it did. You know, the Swiss franc was strong after that for the rest of the day. So no trade with pound Swiss franc, guys. All right, so that was yesterday. Let's take a look at today's trades now. Guys, if you enjoyed yesterday's analysis and yesterday's trade ideas and would like to receive them every single day, then come join the channel, guys. We would love to have you. If you could please subscribe to the channel right now, that would be much appreciated. Also, smash the notification button so you receive an alert every time we post a vid. And if everyone could please smash the like button as well, guys. It really helps support the channel and the vid. Taka, Sepas, Messi, Asante Sana. Thank you. I won't remember those. I've got them written down. Right, guys. Trades for Thursday, the 30th of November. Before we get started, let me just tell you a few things. First of all, I have a new mouse. Woohoo! You can all sleep easy now. It's wonderful. Secondly, guys, we also do some cool things on the channel. Yeah, we've got the free Discord channel. Okay, so come join that. We've got traders in there sharing ideas, knowledge, indicators, books, useful links. So loads of value in the free Discord, guys. Come join that. We've also got the VIP Discord channel. Okay, you do have to pay for this, but you get access to me throughout the trading day, as in you can ask me questions. I give you my trade ideas as and when they happen. Also, we give you exclusive content every single week. And we've got the Trading Academy, which is just full of tutorials, guys. Yeah, so everything I've learned over the years, I'm just spilling it out into the Trading Academy. And we have a performance coach should you need help with that, guys. All right, so many cool things in the VIP Discord. We've also got the mentorship program. Okay, so this is where I coach you one-on-one. If you're interested in that, drop us an email and we'll send you the details of the mentorship program. And finally, guys, if you would like to show your support for the channel, maybe you watch the live stream, the analysis vid every day, then you can show your support by becoming a Simply Forex YouTube member. And we've got supporter and gold membership, and they both have lots of perks, guys. And all the information for all of these things are in the video description. So check them all out in there, guys. And also, don't forget, live stream today, 7 a.m. New York EST time with yours truly. Get your questions ready. I'm ready for you. All right, guys. So trades for Thursday, the 30th of November. So what I am seeing, guys, is this, which is quite unusual. So I'm seeing Swiss franc strength. Okay. And the euro and the Swiss franc are normally, you know, highly correlated, but I am seeing euro weakness. All right. But these have not manifested into many trades. And a lot of these trades have, you know, Elvis has already left the building. So let me show you what I mean, guys. So this Swiss franc a strength. Let's take a look at this first of all, and then we'll look at the euro weakness. But, you know, Aussie dollar, Swiss franc, for example, look at that. That is more bearish than, you know, a bear. Couldn't think of anything else. You know, but this is in an uptrend still. Yeah, so it's still in an uptrend, you know, but a very bearish candle. I need these lows to break, and then we would have a trade. So no trade really, guys. You know, if we look at any of them, you know, pound, Swiss franc, again, uptrend. We are seeing a lot of Swiss franc strength. There's no diggity, no doubt about it. But, you know, we're in an uptrend. Higher highs, these lows haven't broken. The only trade it does manifest is euro Swiss franc. And this is going to be our first trade idea for today. Okay, so euro Swiss franc, and that also plays on the euro weakness idea as well. You know, but again, has Elvis left the building? Because we don't have a lot of room to move into. Because if I zoom out, guys, you can see, I mean, we're going to move it down a little bit. Okay. Because that makes more sense as a target. And basically, we're just using this last level of support in here as a target, guys. Okay. But, you know, clearly you can see why we're shorting it, guys. We were in an uptrend. Yeah, we were hitting this weekly resistance level. Yeah, and eventually the day chart broke down. Weekly sellers won this battle. Yeah, I always talk to you about battles between daily buyers, weekly sellers. This is a perfect example of weekly sellers winning. Yeah, and now we have daily sellers as well. So yeah, I like the trade, but again, look how bearish this candle is. You know, will price want to retrace, or will it just hurtle down? We shall see, but I need a retrace. All right, but for all of those reasons, downtrend, bearish candle, we're looking to take price down to here. If we drop down to the H4 now, you know, that doesn't look like it's going to retrace. Just look at the, you know, very little or no wicks on the bottoms of these candles, like literally very little wick, no wick, no wick. That is tearing down. Yeah. So, you know, as you know, guys, I need a retrace. You know, perhaps a retrace just in, you know, maybe even this level here. Yeah, we get a retrace to here. You know, we could potentially start looking for sells. Yeah. Or, you know, in an ideal world, we get a retrace up to here. Yeah, we get real value here. Yeah, and then we can start selling from here once we get a bearish reaction. But I do fear, guys, that we, you know, may not get a retrace here. But we'll keep an eye out for that. And also, if we go to the H1, okay, I mean, that is just equally tearing. You know, maybe even price just catches up with a moving average 20 on the H1. This would be a trade I would consider if we get a bearish reaction. All right, but yeah, will we get a retrace? I'm not too sure. So yeah, that is Euro Swiss franc, guys. All right, and then I was also talking, so that obviously plays into this Swiss franc strength and the euro weakness. And my second trade idea for today is euro pound. Okay, again, it's a very similar problem with euro Swiss franc. So you can clearly see that, you know, euro pound was in this uptrend. And as soon as we broke these lows, we were looking for sells. We actually, you know, called this trade. There were some sells back down to these lows. But this downtrend has continued. Okay, we've even broken these lows now. Okay, so we're clearly in a daily downtrend. And again, you know, just look at the bearishness of these candles. All right, and we've got a little bit of room to move into, like we did with euro Swiss franc, but we need a retrace before we come back down. Okay, if we take a look at the H4, will we get that retrace? Let me put another grey zone through here as well, actually. Okay, so I'd be happy to take sells from there, guys, as well. That would be the main grey zone to take sells from. You can see price reacted here, here, and here. It was once support, it's become resistance. You know, the big question is, will price just do that and we have no trade? Or will price come back up to here, moving average 20 catches up, we get a bearish reaction, you know, and then we can start selling. That's what I need to see, guys. But yeah, they're the only two trade ideas for today, guys. There really wasn't a lot setting up. So euro Swiss franc sell, euro pound sell. I'm seeing Swiss franc strength, euro weakness. But yeah, they're the only two trades that it manifested into. Again, tricky markets a bit at the moment. We feel like we're getting out of tricky markets, and today feels like we're back in them a bit, but we'll see. So yeah, those are the trade ideas for today. Let's take a look at the news now. So news for Thursday, the 30th of November. Lots of there. The big news is, guys, that I've got a new mouse. Don't worry about, you know, manufacturing PMI. I'm only joking, but I have got a new mouse. Anyway, news for today, guys. So there was some, you know, news overnight. You know, this is, you know, bad figures for China and manufacturing PMI here, and this could affect, you know, Aussie dollar as well because they have close trading relationships. But that news has been and gone, guys. The first piece of news we're interested in is this. At 7 o'clock London GMT, we've got German retail sales. Okay, it says 2-star rating, but I would give this a 3-star rating, and this could move any euro pair. 8 o'clock, London GMT, coming out of the Swiss franc. Coming out of Switzerland. We got the KOF leading indicators, guys. So this is also a 3-star rating. 8:55, we've got big employment data coming out of Euro. So again, big, that is a 3-star rating for me, not a 2-star rating. 10 o'clock, guys, OPEC meeting. So if you're in an oil trade or you're planning to trade oil, must be aware of that. At the same time, big data, guys. Yeah, we've got CPI figures coming out of the Euro. We've got core CPI month on month, year on year, and the unemployment rate. So, 10 o'clock could really move the Euro. It's a busy morning for the Euro, guys. After that, you can see there's more news. It's a very busy news day. At 1:30, London GMT, we got core price index, month on month, year on year. And initial jobless claims. So again, that's going to really move US dollar pairs. After that, guys, there's more at the same time. 1:30 coming out of Canada. We've got the GDP figures, all right? Month on month, year on year, quarter on quarter. So again, guys, this is important news for the Canadian dollar. And if that wasn't enough, there's more. I'm getting tired talking about all of the news. Worth pointing out here, we got President Lagarde speaking, head of the ECB, and we got GDP coming out of CAD as well 5 minutes later. The month on month is released a little bit later. Very bizarre. I don't think that's correct. And then, guys, after that, 3 o'clock, London GMT, we got pending home sales coming out of the US. So a super busy news day today, guys. So tread carefully, be aware of the news. And guys, if you've enjoyed the vid, please subscribe to the channel. And also, everyone, please smash the like button. Don't forget all the cool things we do. We've got the free Discord channel, VIP Discord channel. We've got the mentorship program, and we've got the Simply Forex YouTube membership as well. Check it all out. See you for the live stream at 7 AM EST. Have a great trading day, guys.